Before you can start writing your essay, you need to spend some time visualizing your home. So for today's assignment, you're going to spend some time brainstorming the parts of your dream home that you would like to include in your essay. So the first thing I want you to think about is the outside and structure of your house. So really try to visualize, what does the outside of your house look like? What does the yard look like? What kind of property does it have? What is the structure of your dream home? And I'm going to ask that you make a list of those ideas. To help you make that list, if you go into Schoology and click onto the assignment Dream Home Brainstorming, you'll find a document called Brainstorming that will help you organize your thoughts and your ideas. That document will look something like this. So for that first paragraph, thinking about that outside and structure, see if you can find a picture that really inspires you for saying, yeah, this is what I want my dream home to look like. And then make that list. For mine, it looked something like this. I found an image on Google of a cottage that I was like, oh, I would love to live there. And then I wrote out my list. Now, if you notice, my list includes some of the things that are included in the picture. But I also said, you know what? I want like really beautiful flowers, like a garden, maybe roses on the sidewalk. I added that to my list, even though it's not in the picture. I also made sure that I really wanted my tall oak trees in the background. I talked about this walkway made out of stones, which is a little different than the walkway in the picture. So even though I have a picture for inspiration, my list can include anything I want because it's my dream home, and you can do the same thing for yours. Once you've thought about the outside structure, then I want you to start thinking about the entrance of your home. So that doorway, the front porch. What does it look like? What's it made out of? Maybe you want a huge mansion with statues of lions. Maybe you kind of want a log cabin feel. You have a nice deck or something. Maybe you want a colonial home that has really great stone steps going up to that front house. But what does that look like for you? So again, I want you to find a picture that really inspires you. What does the front entrance of your home look like? And then make a list of all the things that you think the front entrance of your home should include. That list, again, should be as complete as possible for your dream home. It doesn't have to be in the picture, but that picture is there to help inspire you. So you're really thinking through that front entrance of your home. Finally, I want you to think through the rooms. What kind of rooms do you want in your home? And remember, for your third paragraph, you only have to talk about one room. So once you've thought about all the rooms that you possibly want in your house, I want you to pick one of those rooms to include in your dream house. So on your document, make sure that you tell me what room you're going to be describing. Is it the bedroom, the office, a library, an art studio? What's the room that you want to describe in your dream house? Find a picture for inspiration and add it to your page, and then add a list of things that you want in your dream home. For me, I really wanted a kitchen, so I made sure I identified that I wanted a kitchen. I found a picture that kind of inspired me. It's not necessarily exactly what I want, but I liked parts of it. And then I made my list of everything that I really want to include in my kitchen. For tomorrow, make sure that you come to class with this document complete. You want to have an idea of what things and what areas you want to describe in your essay. On Tuesday, we'll really start working on that essay. But before you come to class, I want to make sure that you can visualize what your dream home really looks like. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day.